Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, I have some very good news with you. Discord has rolled out its voice messages feature, just like its presence on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Now you can send voice messages on Discord as well. However, it is only available right now on the Android and iOS application and not for desktop users as of now. So my friends, I'm going to go to a Discord server and I'm going to test this out. Just going to some problem with the connection of Discord. It's going to be uploaded now. So it's going to be uploaded, my friends. There is a problem with the connection, so you can test it yourself, my friends. This is how you send a voice message to anybody. Just hit this microphone icon and lock it up and just send the message to anybody or any server. Thanks for watching, my friends. I'll be signing off. Take care.